welcome back to my video. So for today, what we're gonna do, I just got, as you can guys see, a GoPro Hero 9 Black. So for today I'm gonna stick this on the top of my car. All right, the Hero 9. It looks pretty good. So today I'm gonna test the camera. I'm gonna, as usual, go hit the freeway. I'm gonna chase somebody if I can catch somebody, because it's a holiday weekend. There is nobody around. Like I said, I'm excited, and let's go and test it. By the way, yeah, hit the subscribe button right now. I can see you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, notification bell, so you can be notified every time I post the video. So yeah, stay tuned, stay with me, and let's do it. do something, but oh man, this is nice. Oh well, thank you, baby. Thank you for the camera. And that's it. Oh, by the way, I'm shooting these footages from GoPro 9 because yeah, it looks pretty good. Just gonna go home, edit it, and we'll see. All right, anyway, thank you. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.